Cooking is an art, and like any artist, a chef needs the perfect tools. This HexClad 12-inch hybrid nonstick wok, a masterpiece of culinary engineering designed to elevate your cooking experience. With its innovative hybrid technology and unparalleled versatility, this wok promises to deliver exceptional performance while making your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. In this review, we'll explore every feature of the HexClad wok, explain why it's worth the investment, and guide you through its benefits, ensuring you know exactly why this is the perfect addition to your cookware collection. Why this wok is a game changer. The HexClad 12-inch hybrid nonstick wok is perfect for home chefs seeking high-performance cookware, busy families needing versatile tools for quick, healthy meals, culinary enthusiasts aiming to elevate their cooking experience. With its innovative design and unmatched functionality, this wok is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Why the HexClad 12-inch hybrid wok stands out? Number 1. Patented hybrid technology. At the heart of the HexClad wok is its patented hybrid technology, which combines the best of stainless steel, aluminum, and non-stick surfaces. The tri-ply construction features aluminum sandwiched between layers of stainless steel, ensuring rapid heat conduction and even cooking. The laser-etched hexagonal non-stick surface adds a layer of convenience, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Imagine perfectly seared proteins with the ease of non-stick cleanup. HexClad delivers both. Number 2. Northern-style design for enhanced usability. The wok's design incorporates a long, stay-cool stainless steel handle, complemented by a helper handle for easy lifting. The northern-style shape provides an ideal depth for tossing ingredients, mixing sauces, and achieving perfect caramelization or stir-fry without spills. The ergonomic handle ensures safe and comfortable handling, even during high-heat cooking sessions. Number 3. Universal compatibility. Whether you have an induction, gas, or electric cooktop, this wok is ready to perform. It's scratch-resistant and can withstand oven temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Its compatibility with all cooktops makes it a versatile tool for any kitchen. No matter your stove type, HexClad adapts seamlessly to your culinary needs. Key features that elevate your cooking game. Number 1. Durable tri-ply construction. The blend of aluminum and stainless steel ensures fast, even heating across the wok's surface, eliminating hot spots. This durability rivals cast iron, but without the weight or extensive maintenance. Number 2. Scratch-resistant non-stick surface. The laser-etched hexagonal design offers superior scratch resistance, allowing you to use metal utensils without worrying about damage. This feature also ensures that the non-stick surface lasts longer, maintaining its functionality over time. Number 3. Oven and dishwasher safe. From stovetop to oven, the HexClad wok transitions effortlessly. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for finishing dishes. After cooking, toss it into the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. Number 4. Lifetime warranty. Your purchase is backed by HexClad's lifetime warranty, covering manufacturer's defects. This demonstrates the company's confidence in their product's quality and longevity. Versatility. What can you cook with the HexClad wok? The HexClad hybrid wok isn't just for stir-fries. Its design and construction make it ideal for a wide variety of cooking techniques, including deep frying, achieve crispy textures without hot spots; braising, slow-cook meats and vegetables for tender, flavorful dishes; steaming, use a bamboo or steel steamer for healthy meal options; sautéing and tossing. Thanks to its even heat distribution, tossing ingredients is effortless. From quick stir-fries to elaborate one-pan meals, this wok adapts to your every culinary whim. Pros and cons of the HexClad wok. Pros. Combines the durability of stainless steel with the convenience of non-stick, compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Scratch-resistant surface, ideal for metal utensils. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Lifetime warranty ensures peace of mind. Cons. Lid not included, sold separately. Premium price compared to traditional woks. Maintenance tips for longevity. To keep your HexClad wok in peak condition. 1. Avoid using abrasive sponges during cleaning. A soft sponge and warm water suffice. 2. Use medium to high heat for cooking, but avoid overheating when empty. 3. Regularly clean and dry thoroughly to prevent water spots. A little care ensures that this wok will serve your kitchen for years to come. Final thoughts. This HexClad 12-inch hybrid nonstick wok is more than just cookware. It's a revolution in the kitchen. Its ability to combine the best features of stainless steel, aluminum, and non-stick technology makes it a standout choice for any cook, from beginner to professional. The durability, ease of use, and versatility of this wok justify its premium price, making it a worthwhile investment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.